Good afternoon, everyone. This is Doug Weber at the National Weather Service here in Amarillo, and I am here to provide your weekly 2 p.m. briefing for Thursday, October 15th, 2020. There's not much going on this week, but it's overall quiet as far as precipitation goes, but we do have a few things we'll be watching. We are looking at some elevated fire weather concerns in the northwest on Friday and again on the southwest on Saturday. We will have a cold front that looks to be moving through Saturday night with breezy north winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. And results will be a possible freeze Sunday morning and again on Monday morning. I think there's going to be more coverage on Monday because as the cold airs come in, there'll be a little bit more time to have settled across the panhandles, whereas Sunday it may be just some areas to the north. We also, with the lighter winds on Monday, some of the areas that don't quite get to freezing further south may become frost prone as far as issues go. So there's our pretty much highlight for the week. As we said, Friday and Saturday for the fire weather, and then the freeze potential on Sunday and Monday. As we focus on the fire weather, the northwest is pretty much what we're looking at again on Friday, and we're looking at the timing to be between 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. The winds are going to be pretty breezy up there, but the RHs are in the 20 to 30%, so they're not too bad. As we move into Friday, the winds are going to be in the 15 to 20, I'm sorry, on Saturday, the winds are going to be 15 to 25 out of the west with 10 to 15% RH, and that's going to be mainly 1 to 7 p.m. And as we move into Sunday, as you can see, the highlighted area that's being focused for the frost and freeze threat. So the main area will be a freeze because the winds are going to be too much of a blowing too hard for a frost threat when we get to Sunday morning. But on Monday, it's both going to be kind of a frost and a freeze possible as the winds are going to be much lighter. Precipitation-wise, as I said, pretty much non-existent, and as we move into the next 7 day, maybe something skirts in the far southeast. We'll keep an eye on that, but there's not much going on in the models that's favoring precipitation for us, and that has been the story for quite some time. Overall outlook, while it is giving us a slightly above near to above normal chance for precipitation in the 6 to 10 day outlook for the east, that could be due to some models maybe suggesting that something might develop over there, but right now the confidence is not overly high on that. As far as the precipitation, the pattern is definitely, as far as the temperatures, the pattern is definitely changing to favor some colder air mass, especially in the northern and northwest United States, and we will see how that transitions over our area. There might be some subtle cold fronts that keep coming through and just keep us as far as on the cooler side of things, at least regarding normal temperatures go. And we're definitely favored to be below normal on the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook. As far as the drought goes, well, it continues, and it continues to degrade as far as things go. We have been drier than usual, and we've been pretty warm for quite some time. So additionally, the freezes probably will help dry things out as well too. So we'll keep an eye on that as far as things go. And it's pretty brief for today. That is your briefing, and I will take any questions.